Hi children, today you are going to learn 8th class 9th chapter, that is area of plane figures, in that exercise number 9.2 from question number 6 to 10. Already we have done a video on the question number 1 to 5. So this is the second part of this exercise, that is question number 6 to 10. So let us go for the question number 6 here. Already the diagram was given in the textbook, the same diagram. I have tried my level best here. In the adjacent figure, ABCD is a square, centers of a equal circles which touches the externally in the pairs of ABCD square of side 7 cm. Here, side of the square, the side of the square is given 7 centimeter. The side of the square is given 7 centimeters. Then find the area of the shaded region. Here we need to find out the area of the shaded region itself. So how can we find out the area of the shaded region? Area of shaded region ఎలా find out చేస్తాం? So see that how can we find out the area of shaded region here? Where ABCD is a square is set. Here ABCD is a square. In square all the angles are equal to 90 degrees, no? So let us write here first. See, here given that ABCD is a square of side is equal to 7 centimeter, and there are 4 circles are touching externally, outside touch అవుతున్నాయి 4 circles కూడా 4 circles are touching externally with the centers of ABCD of the vertices of the squares. So here there is a uncovered place by these 4 circles. So this is the uncovered place by the circles. That is what the shaded region we need to find out. Now when you see here, there are 4 sectors you can find out. What is meaning of a sector? The sector in the sense which is, this is called a sector which is enclosed by 2 radius and 1 arc. Okay, 2 radius with 1 arc, the sector will be formed. So this is an arc and these 2 radius. So there are 4 sectors are present in this. So how can we find out the area of shaded region? Shaded region ఎలా find out చేస్తాం? Area square minus area of these 4 sectors. Area square అంటే టోటల్ ఏరియా వచ్చేస్తుంది. అందులో నుంచి ఈ 4 అన్షేడెడ్ పార్ట్స్ తీసేయాలి. ఈ అన్షేడెడ్ పార్ట్స్ ఏమంటాం? సెక్టార్స్ అంటాం. ఎన్ని సెక్టార్స్ ఉన్నాయి? 1 2 3 4. సో ఏరియా ఆఫ్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ area of these 4 sectors, that we have to do it. So here the radius will be what here? If the side is 7 centimeter, the radius of the sector, the radius of the sector are equal to, radius of the sector are equal to 7 by 2 centimeter. Then 7 by 2 centimeter, that equal to 3.5 centimeters. Now we know the radius of the sectors and also side of the square. Let us find out the area of shaded region. The area of shaded region equal to area of square minus area of square minus how many sectors are there? 1 2 3 4. So minus 4 into area of sector. 4 into area of sector. Area of square. Area of square formula side into side. Side into side. Minus here 4 into area of sector formula as we discussed in the beginning of this chapter, that is x degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square. So here x nothing but here the angle subtended between the radiuses, that is 90 degrees here. Okay, let us substitute those values and we will get an answer here. Here side into side, nothing but 7 centimeters into 7 centimeter, that is the side of the square. 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter. Okay, then now here minus 4 into x degree is nothing but the angle here in the square, that will be 90 degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square. Pi 22 by 7 into r. The radius of the sectors will be, the radius of the sectors that we got 3.5 centimeters. So 3.5 centimeters into 3.5 centimeters. Okay, what we do is see here. 90 ones are 90, 4s are 360, 4 ones are 4 ones are get cancelled. So the remaining things are here. 7 sevens are 49 centimeters into centimeter, centimeter square minus, here also it will be get cancelled, here 4 and 4, 90 and 360 get cancelled. Leftover things are 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5. Okay, 3.5 into 3.5. When you multiply 3.5 into 3.5, 4 to 0, 12.25. Yes, you will get 12.25 centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. 3.5 into 3.5. Okay, 35 square. 35 square is 1225. So ala chesaను. 35 into 35 చేస్తే 1225 వస్తుంది. But 2 decimal digits are there, no? So that I kept here. Now we'll cancel the 7 table. 7 ones are 7. Here 7 ones are 7. 5 left. So it become a 52 now. Point. It is 52. 7 sevens are 49. 3 left. It become 35. 7 fives are 35. Now we got 49 centimeter square minus 22 into 1.75 centimeter square. Now let us multiply this. 49 centimeter square minus this 1.75 into 22. So 2 5s are 10, 1 carry. 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15. 1 carry again. 2 1s are 2 plus 1, that is 3. So again if you multiply with 2, we get the same, that is 350. 0 5 8 3. Here 2 decimal digits, no? So 38.50 centimeter square. So from 49, from the 49 let us subtract 38.50. From the 49.00 let us subtract 38.50. Simply here it is a 8 and this is 10. However it is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 10 minus 5 is 5. 8 minus 8 is 0 and 4 minus 3 is 1. 10.50. 10.50 centimeter square. Therefore the area of shaded region, is equal to 10.50 centimeter square. See that? It's a very simple one. Then based on the same content again, there are 2 more questions. It is not a 7th one, that is the 8th one in the part 1 and part 2. Both are on the same. So same picture has to be drawn. We have to draw the same picture. So why to waste the time? Now let us keep the same picture here. The same figure we'll keep it here and we'll continue the answer. Okay. So now we go for first 8th question in that part 1. So in 8th question, first question we'll do it. Then after the 8th one we'll come to the 7th question and we'll solve that. See that here what is the 8th bit first question. See the 4 equal circles. Ilage 4 equal circles. Each of radius A is touch one another. The radius is A. The radius is A. Here the radius is A and A. Radius is A units touch one another. Find the area between them. Okay. 4 equal circles touch the square each other of the radius A will be like this. So we'll be taking radius like A and A. 4 equal circles will be drawn like that. So let us join the centers, we'll get a square like this. Now the radius of the radius of circle, the radius of the circle are equal to A units. యూనిట్స్ అంటే ఏ ఇవ్వలేదు కనుక మనం యూనిట్స్ అని రాసుకుంటాం. ఇస్తే సెంటీమీటర్స్ మీటర్స్ అది ఇస్తే అది రాసుకునే వాళ్ళం. ఏం ఇవ్వలేదు కనుక యూనిట్స్ అని రాసుకుంటాం. దెన్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ది స్క్వేర్? దేర్ఫోర్ ద సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ది square. The side of the square equal to a plus a. ఇది వృత్తం కలిపితే side of the square అవుతుంది కదా, a plus a that equal to 2a. a plus a that equal to 2a units. 2a units. Then how to find out the area of shaded region? Same thing. Just now what we have done, the same thing we have to do it. Now the area of shaded region equal to the area of shaded region is equal to area of square minus area of 4 sectors. Area of square minus area square minus 4 into area of sector. So area square formula side into side. సేమ్ అలాగే ఉంటుంది మళ్ళీ. సో ఏం లేదు అక్కడ మనం ఇంతకుముందు అక్కడ రేడియస్ కానీ సైడ్ కానీ వేరేగా ఉండే. ఏమిచ్చాడు అంతకుముందు? సైడ్ అనేది ఎస్ 7 సెంటీమీటర్గా ఉండే. సైడ్ ఈజ్ 7 సెంటీమీటర్ అండ్ రేడియస్ ఈజ్ 3.5 సెంటీమీటర్. అవిటిని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసేవాళ్ళు. Here 7 to 7 and the radius is 3.5 we have substituted. But here now the radius you have to substitute a and side is 2a. Ante. Okay, algebra terms ichcharu. Area sector formula x degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square. Pi r square. Now let us do it here. Substitute the values. We'll substitute the values now. What will get? Let us see. Now here side into side. What is the side of the square now? 2a. So 2a into 2a minus 4 into x is nothing but a 90 degrees by here 360 degrees because the square makes a 90 degrees into pi r square. Pi is 22 by 7. Here r square is a into a. Okay, let us cancel here. 91s are 94s are 4 ones are get cancelled. Here we get here 2 into 2 4. A into a is a square, that is 4a square minus here 22 into a into a, it is a square, 22a square by 7. So this will write by 1. This we write 4a square will write as a 4a square by 1. ఏం లేకపోతే డినామినేటర్ ఒకటి రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా. So like that. And we do the cross multiplication now. In the cross multiplication, what we can observe? Let us see. 1 into 7 is 7. 7 into 4, 28. A square, it is 28 a square minus 1 into 22, it is a 22 a square. Now let us subtract from 28. You subtract 22, that will get 6 a square by 7. Therefore, the area of shaded region equal to 6a square by 7. Here a is nothing but a radius of the circle. Here a is nothing but a radius of the circle. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేయాలి? So what is what? Now we go for the second one. This first one is that 6a square by 7. That is answer. Now the second question in the 8th. See, 4 equal circles described about the 4 corners of a square so that each circle touches the two of the others. ఏం లేదు, 4 equal circles described on the 4 corners of a square. 4 corners of a square. So 4 circles are described. These 4 circles are described about the 4 corners of the square. ఇదే డయాగ్రామ్ మళ్ళీ. ఈ 4 circles ఎక్కడ నుంచి వచ్చాయంట? 4 corners of the square. ఈ స్క్వేర్ యొక్క కార్నర్ నుంచి ఒక సర్కిల్, ఈ కార్నర్ నుంచి ఈ కార్నర్ నుంచి ఈ కార్నర్ నుంచి రిమైనింగ్ 3 సర్కిల్స్. ఇలా 4 సర్కిల్స్ ఇలా ఒకదానికి ఒకటి ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ అవుతున్నాయి. వన్ సర్కిల్స్ టచెస్ ద అదర్ 2 సర్కిల్స్. One circle is touching other 2 circles. This circle is touching these 2 circles. So this circle is intersecting these 2 circles. That is what is telling. Now again find the area of the space enclosed between the circumferences of the circle. అంటే find the area enclosed. ఏదైతే ఏరియా ఏర్పడ్డదో ఈ 4 సర్కిల్స్ వల్ల ఈ ఏరియా అనేది ఎన్క్లోజ్డ్ అయింది. దిస్ ఏరియా ఇస్ ఎన్క్లోజ్డ్ బై దిస్ 4 సర్కిల్. this area we need to find out. This area we need to find out. With the side of the square measure 24 centimeter. If the side of the square is 24 centimeter, if the side of the square is 24 centimeter. ఇంతకు ముందు ప్రాబ్లమ్ ను కూడా అంటే క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 6 ను కూడా ఇదే మెథడ్ లో చేయొచ్చు, గుర్తుంచుకోండి. సో నేను అది ఎందుకు డీటెయిల్ గా చెప్పాను అంటే మీకు ఫస్ట్ ఇదే మెథడ్ లో చెప్పాను అనుకో 6a²/7 ఈ ఏరియా ఎంత ఉంటుంది, ఆల్వేస్ దిస్ ఏరియా విల్ బి 6a²/7 ఉంటుంది. దిస్ ఏరియా విల్ బి 6a²/7. హియర్ a ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఏ రేడియస్. ఇక్కడ రేడియస్ వస్తుంది కదా, ఆ రేడియస్ వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసేస్తే అయిపోతుంది, మీకు ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఇంతకు ముందు దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ 6a²/7. In the question number 6 the radius r equal to this 3.5. So 6 into a square nothing but 3.5 into 3.5 by 7. మీరు చేస్తే 7 1 7 0.5 7 0.5 6 into 0.5 into 3.5. If you do it you get a same answer what we have done in the sixth answer. The sixth question answer what we got will be getting same. So in the place of a we have to substitute the radius of the sector or not radius of the square. ఇక్కడ మనం కూడా అదే చేస్తాం. The side of the square is given 24 centimeters. So the side of the square is here 24 centimeters. Then the radius of the circle, the radius of the circle will be only 12 centimeters. Okay, the radius of the circle. Then I will rub this. You just remember that. You have to remember this one. ఎందుకు దీన్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని ఒకవేళ మీకు ఇది గుర్తుంటే డైరెక్ట్గా ఆన్సర్ రాసేయచ్చు. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పాను కదా 6th వన్ కూడా ఇదే మెథడ్లో చేయొచ్చు అని, ఒక 4 స్టెప్లో అయిపోతుంది. సో హియర్ we have to find out this area. So the side of the square, the side of the square is equal to 24 centimeter. Then the radius of the circle, the radius of the circle r equal to 12 centimeter. The area which is enclosed by circle, now we have to find out the area space enclosed between the circumference of circle. We have to find out the area of the space enclosed between circumference of circle equal to what the area enclosed by the circumference of the circles. This is nothing but 6a²/7. This the area is enclosed. So this area will be 6a²/7. Let us write here 6a²/7. Here a is nothing but a radius. So now this is complete. Now here a is nothing but a r. Nothing but a is equal to r in the sense a is nothing but a radius of the circle. Here I can also write here. Here a is nothing but a is equal to the radius of the circle. Radius of the circle. Let us substitute the values now. See 6 into a square. A square nothing but a, that is a value is what here. Now is nothing but here only it is a value. It is equal to a only, that is 12 centimeters. A అంటే ఏంటి ఇక్కడ రేడియస్. రేడియస్ ఎంత ఉంది 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter into 12 centimeter by 7. So 6 into 12 into 12 144 centimeter square by 7. So 6 into 144 centimeter by 7 equal to 123.42 centimeter square. Then you cancel by 7, you get the same answer 123.42 centimeter square. So therefore you write that here same thing. The area of the space, enclosed between 4 circumference of circles enclosed between the circumference of 4 circumference of circles is equal to 123.42 centimeters square. So this is what, children. Okay, just go through this sixth question and 8.1 and 8.2 based on the same content, and we go for the seventh question now. Now this is our seventh question diagram. Let us see that what is the seventh question. The area of equilateral triangle is 49 root 3 centimeters square. The area equilateral triangle is given. The area of equilateral triangle is equal to 49 root 3 centimeters square. I already told you what is the formula of equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle, that is root 3 by 4 into side square. So what is the side of the equilateral triangle here? 7 plus 7, that is 14 centimeter. So let us write here 14 centimeter into 14 centimeter. Let us see that 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14. That is 7 into 7, that is 49 into root 3, 49 root 3 centimeter square. See, you got the same thing. So that is the formula of area of equilateral triangle, root 3 by 4 into side square. If they have asked you to find out the what is area of equilateral triangle, equilateral triangle area ni find out cheyamante aa formula use cheyali, root 3 by 4 into side square. What is the side of the equilateral triangle? ఎంత ఉంటది side ఇక్కడ 7 plus 7 14 ఉంది కనుక 14 centimeter into 14 centimeter, because it is side square. Side square కనుక రెండు సార్లు రాసాను. సో మీకు ఈజీగా 49 root 3 centimeter square వచ్చేస్తుంది. అంటే ఇలా 14 కాదు, ఏ ఇచ్చినా సరే it is a formula of area of equilateral triangle. So they got the same thing. Now here what we need to do it, taking each angular point at the center A, the circle described with the radius of equal half of the length of the sides of the triangle shown in the figure. Find the area of the portion of the triangle not included in the circles. Okay, by taking these vertices as the centers and half of the length of the sides of the triangle, half of the length of side of the triangle. The side of the triangle is 14 centimeter actually. Half of that is 7 centimeter and 7 centimeter. By taking the center of the 7 centimeter, the radius, the three circles are described like this. So now we need to find out the portion which is not enclosed. The portion which is not enclosed by circle, this area we have to find out. This is the place which is not enclosed by these circles. So area of equilateral triangle minus area of these three sectors. So let us do it. The area which is not enclosed by circles is equal to area of equilateral triangle minus 3 into area of sector. 3 into area of sector. Area of equilateral triangle already given, that is 49 root 3 centimeter square minus area of sector. 3 into area of sector. Area of sector formula x degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square. Pi r square. What is the r value here? The radius of the circle is 7 centimeter. Here r value is 7 centimeter. Just remember, r equal to 7 centimeter. R is nothing but a radius of the circle. The radius of the circle equal to, that is 7 centimeter. Let us go for that. Now let us substitute the values here. 49 root 3 centimeter square minus 3 into x is nothing but the angle in the equilateral triangle. R will be 60 degrees only. All angles will be 60 degrees in the equilateral triangle. Pi value, that is 22 by 7 into r value, that is 7 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Let us see here. 1 0 1 0 get cancel. 6 1s are 6 6 are. 3 1s are 3 2s are. 2 1s are 2 11s are. 7 1s are 7 1s are. So as you got here now, that equal to 49 root 3 centimeter square minus here 11 into 7 is left. 11 centimeter into 7 centimeters only left. That is nothing but 49 root 3 centimeter square minus 77 centimeter square. Now here root 3 value which is not given in the question, but root 3 value is 1.732. So already we know the root 3 value, that is 1.732. By substituting root 3 here value as a 1.732, that is 49 into 1.732 centimeter square minus 77 centimeter square. So 49 into the 1.732, the 49 into 1.732 will be getting like 8729 centimeter square minus 77 centimeter square. That equal to, when you subtract this both, you will be getting like 7.8729 centimeter square. And write the therefore that the therefore is the area which is not enclosed by 3 circles equal to 7.8729 centimeters square. Now we go for the question number 9 here. Let us see that from the piece of cardboard, it is a piece of cardboard in the shape of a trapezium. It is in the shape of a trapezium. A B C D is in the shape of a trapezium. Here A B C D is a trapezium. A B C D is a trapezium. Then in that AB is parallel to CD. This AB is parallel to CD. In that, in trapezium, one pair of opposite sides are parallel, no? So AB is parallel to CD. This is given that. Yes. Again, let's see angle BCD equal to angle BCD. So angle BCD is equal to 90 degrees. Here 90 degrees already, it's a perpendicular. Then a quarter circle is removed. Okay, this angle BCD of 90 degrees of quarter circle. This is a quarter circle. The quarter circle was removed. Okay, then from the cardboard the quarter circle was removed. The given AB equal to BC equal to 3.5 centimeter. AB equal to and BC equal to, where AB is equal to BC is equal to 3.5 centimeters. 3.5 centimeters and DE equal to 2 centimeter. As he given, DE is equal to 2 centimeter and CE is also equal to 3.5 centimeter. Calculate the area of the remaining piece of the cardboard. The remaining piece of the cardboard, this area of shaded region we have to find out. We have to find out RTP. The remaining piece of the remaining piece of cardboard. The remaining piece of the cardboard we have to find out. The remaining piece of cardboard. Let us find out. How can we find out the remaining piece of the cardboard? Therefore, proof here. The remaining piece of the cardboard the remaining piece of cardboard then let us write that will be equal to area of a trapezium minus area of this sector. Area of the trapezium minus this area of sector. This sector was removed. the quarter circle is nothing but a sector only. Okay, this area of sector is removed. Area of trapezium minus area of trapezium minus the area of sector. Area of trapezium formula 1/2 into h into a plus b minus area sector formula x degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square. So here, so let us substitute 1/2 into h value from the figure. What will be h? What is the height of this? Between these two parallel sides, the height is 3.5 centimeters. చూడండి ఈ రెండు parallel sides కు distance ఎంత 3.5 centimeter. So 3.5 centimeter into a plus b. The a, suppose the a equal to sum of these two, 2 centimeter plus 3.5 centimeter, that is 5.5 centimeter. ఈ రెండుని యాడ్ చేస్తే ఇది ఒక సైడ్, ఇది ఒక parallel side, CD and AB. So the CD equal to 5.5 centimeter and the B equal to, this is 3.5 centimeter. So 5.5 centimeter plus 5.5 centimeter plus 3.5 centimeters. 3.5 centimeter minus here x is nothing but here 90 degrees by 360 degrees into pi, that is 22/7 into r. What is the radius? The radius is 3.5 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter. That is 3.5 centimeters into 3.5 centimeters. Okay, let us cancel here. Before that, let us simplify. It is 1/2 into 3.5 centimeters into 5.5 plus 3.5, that is 6 and 9 centimeter. So 6 and 3, 9 centimeter. Yes. So minus here 91s are 94s are. Here 2 2s are 4, 2 11s are. Here 7.1s are, sorry 7 1s are and 7 0.5s are. Here 2 1s are, 2 5.5s are, 2 5.5s are 11. So here 5.5 into 0.5 centimeter into 3.5 centimeter. So here 2 1s are, 2 4.5s are, that equal to 3.5 centimeter into 4.5 centimeters minus here multiply 5.5 into 0.5 centimeters into 3.5 centimeter. Here you do it 91s are, 94s are, 360. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4 and 2 11s are 22. 2 1s are, this 2 table, 2 1s are, 2 5.5s are, 2 5.5s are 11, cancel, and 7 1s are 7, 7 0.5s are. So we got these values. Now by multiplying this, by multiplying that we get 15.75 centimeter square minus, by multiplying this all area of quarter circle, by multiplying we get, that is 9.625 centimeter square. So by subtracting this both, we'll be getting 6.125 centimeter square. Yes, 6.125 centimeter square. So you multiply and check the answers, you will get the same. Okay, where this is the 6.125 is the area of the remaining cardboard after removing this quarter circle. After removing this quarter circle, see this. Now we go for the last question of this chapter and also this exercise, that is 10th question. Let us see that a horse is placed for grazing inside the rectangular field. Horse is nothing but we know gurram. Okay, is placed for grazing. Grazing ante tinadaniki, adi gurram endante gaddi tintadi. So to feed the horse, they kept the horse here at the point of O. ikkada gurrani kattesam, enduku gaddi tinadiki. So gurrani kattesharu. How? See, placed The horse is placed for grazing inside the rectangular field. In the rectangular field, the horse is placed. Of the rectangular field is here 70 meters long and 52 meters wide. Okay, is threaded of one corner by a rope of 21 meters long. The horse is placed here. Horse ఇక్కడ కట్టేశాడు ఎంత 21 meters of thread తోని 21 meters of thread they used to tie the horse. So the horse can move only 21 meters around the rectangular field. ఇక్కడ పోతే గడ్డ ఉంటుంది, ఇదే కదా రెక్టాంగులర్ ఫీల్డ్, ఇక్కడ గడ్డ ఉంటుంది కంప్లీట్, ఇక్కడ గడ్డ ఉంటుంది. సో ఆర్స్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది. సో ద 21 meters ఆర్స్ కెన్ మూవ్ లైక్ దిస్. ఆర్స్ ఇస్ హియర్ 21 meters, it can move like this, and around the 21 meters wherever the grass it can eat. So the place occupied by ours now will be like a sector form like this. It will be eat like sector form. So how much area can it graze? Okay, ఎంత ఏరియా అని సారీ ఆ గుర్రం తినగలుగుతుంది, ఎంత ఏరియా ఆఫ్ గ్రాస్, how much area of grass can be eat by the horse. So how much area of grass can be eaten by horse, ఎంత గడ్డి తినగలుగుతుంది 21 meters of thread తోని ఆ గుర్రాన్ని ఇక్కడ కట్టేసి వస్తుంది. So let us see that. Simple. Now you have to find out area of sector. Simple. This is the area of sector. This is an area of sector formula. If you use, you will get it. Because here R value is given 21 centimeter. The R value is 21 centimeters here. Sorry, meters. 21 meters now. The area. Yes. How much area it can graze? The area. The horse can graze the area. The area can covered by can graze by horse equal to the area can graze by horse in rectangular field equal to how much area it can be grazed, that is area of sector. So the area can be grazed by us in a rectangular field, it will be equal to area sector. అది ఏరియా ఆఫ్ సెక్టార్ కు ఈక్వల్ గా ఉంటుంది. ఎంత గడ్డి నిలబడుతుంది, ఏరియా ఆఫ్ సెక్టార్ యొక్క ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేస్తే ఎంతైతే ఏరియా వస్తుందో అంత ఏరియాను ఈ గుర్రం తినగలుగుతుంది. సో ఏరియా ఆఫ్ సెక్టార్ ఫార్ములా నౌ x degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square. X is nothing but here in the rectangle all the angles will be 90 degrees now. So 90 degrees by 360 degrees into pi value 22 by 7 into r, that is 21 and 21. So r square 21 meters into 21 meters. Here 91s are 94s are 7 1s are 7 3s are. Here 2 2s are 4, 2 11s are 2 1s are 2 5.5s are 2 5.5s are 11. So we get here 5.5 into 3 meters into 21 meters. That means 5.5 into 3 meters into 21 meters is equal to 346.5. 346.5 meter into meter square. The area can graze it. Okay, the area can graze. The area can be grazed by a horse equal to the area can be grazed by the area can be grazed by horse is equal to 346.5 meter square. And the area మాత్రం ఇది అవుతుంది. ఎంత ఏరియా ఉంటుంది, 346.5 మీటర్ స్క్వేర్ ఇది అవుతుంది. మొత్తం ఏరియా ఎంత వస్తుంది చూడండి, ఏరియా n into b 70 into 52, that is 0 14 1 carry 35 36. So out of 3640 meter square 3640 మీటర్ స్క్వేర్ లో 346.5 మీటర్స్ పర్ గడ్డి మాత్రమే తినగలుగుతుంది. ఎందుకు? దాన్ని కట్టేశారు కదా ఒక కార్నర్కు 21 మీటర్స్ ఆఫ్ థ్రెడ్ తోని. సో ఇట్ కెన్ ఓన్లీ గ్రేస్ ద ఏరియా ఓన్లీ 346.5 మీటర్ స్క్వేర్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 3640 meter square. So this we don't require, only we require that. Now I hope you understood this exercise and also this chapter clearly. If not, once again you watch all the videos and all problems you practice properly, and mainly we have to go through all the formulas. Overall 17 formulas I have given. All these 17 formulas should be noted, then only you can do any problem if they give in the examination. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you all children. Bye.